Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Guitar Hero, easy method. Power on your console and plug in or sync the guitar controller, then load the game and choose easy mode so you have forgiving timing. Use practice mode to slow songs and repeat tricky sections until you feel confident. Calibrate audio and input latency in settings to match your display, and start with simple songs to build rhythm and timing smoothly. Start by holding the correct fret buttons and strumming as notes hit the target zone, keeping relaxed hands and steady timing. Practice hammer-ons and pull-offs to chain notes without extra strums, and use palm muting motions for emphasis in solos. Slow songs in practice mode help build muscle memory and gradually increase speed only when accuracy reaches a comfortable level. Focus on consistent timing rather than speed to improve quickly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and easy methods. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you rest between practice sessions, and it makes a fine companion for gaming downtime. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To boost scores, focus on accuracy to build streaks and multipliers, and save star power for dense note sections to maximize points. Break songs into phrases and master each phrase slowly before speeding up, and prioritize clean hits over reckless strumming. Watch timing windows in calibration to reduce misnotes, and use practice mode to replay high-value sections until you can hit them reliably under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.